Welcome back to the channel, and today, we get our hands dirty at the job site. We pick a Makita subcompact XDT15 impact driver with an 2 amp power battery. This time, we take bits out of the Milwaukee Shockwave bit set. Mainly the PZ2 2-inch bit and a PH1 as seen here. The footage shows you the renovation progress of an old bowling alley, and today, we take care of the ceiling. In the end of that phase, 2 layers will be removed, before we tackle the attic. The lightweight XDT15 pays off for that kind of work. Less fatigue in the LED light is okay in that environment. Let's see how that Shockwave bit looks like after some hours of work. Pretty good shape actually. We're gonna tackle the rest of the first layer tomorrow. So the Shockwave got more work to do. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.